everyone! Today I'm taking you to a place that doesn't feel like a typical Gurgaon project. Because what if I told you it isn't just about luxury living, it's about how you feel every single day for the rest of your life. Welcome to Omara by Trihan Iris in Sector 80 Gurgaon, a project that is built around one single idea, peace and wellness. In this video, I'll walk you through everything from location to why Sector 80 is getting so much attention, what makes this project different, and whether this is just a marketing gimmick or something actually meaningful. Let's find out. Now let's talk about the location first. Omara is located in Sector 80, New Gurgaon. This area is still developing, so you're not surrounded by chaos or concrete jungle, and at the same time you're not disconnected as well, because you get direct access to NH8 that keeps Delhi, Cyber City and the airport within comfortable reach. The southern peripheral road is also nearby, which is quickly becoming one of Gurgaon's strongest growing corridors. So from a daily living perspective, you get a very balanced life, your home feels peaceful, and yet you're connected to the city when you need it. Before stepping inside the project, let's quickly discuss about the project's developer. Omara is being developed by Trihan Iris. While the name might feel new in the luxury residential space, the group itself has a long legacy of construction in India. They have been involved in large-scale developments for decades, and now with Omara, they're stepping into premium and more lifestyle-focused segment. This is important because it shows that the intent behind it is not just to build another building or a project, but to make it stand out in positioning and experience. Now, coming to the project itself, Omara is designed very differently from typical high-density developments. It is spread across around 5.08 acres with only about 320 residences, which immediately makes the space feels more open and less crowded. The apartments are large, with layouts that focus on natural light, ventilation, and a stronger connection to the outdoors. What really defines Omara is its wellness-driven approach. This is not just a marketing angle. It is reflected in the way the project is planned. A large part of the clubhouse is dedicated to wellness, including spa spaces, hydrotherapy areas, and relaxation zones. Crystal healing natural therapy is also included. There are dedicated yoga and meditation spaces, walking trails, and landscaped gardens. Even the design philosophy follows this idea. One matcha colada, please. This strong focus on greenery, air quality, natural materials, as this project is the only project of India which is having WELL V2 certification, and that's a huge thing. Thank you. Enjoy. The spaces are created to feel calm rather than overwhelming. So instead of offering you just luxury in terms of finishes, the project is trying to deliver comfort on deeper levels, both physically and mentally. So now let's understand more about the project from representative of the company itself, Ms. Siddika. Please come, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
All good, all good.
I only have one question to ask you. How would you define luxury? As we can see that this project is promoting wellness and peace, what message would you like to deliver to our home buyers?
So, luxury, if we see today's market, it starts from even 2 CR and it goes up till even 100 plus CR. So, we are just naming it in a different manner. We say it's uber luxury or extra luxury, ultra luxury. But at the end, what is luxury? Basically, what we understand here is something that you get the amenities inside your project, and is also kind of your lifestyle that you're getting in there. Lifestyle, when we say, it is not restricted to only, you're just networking with people. So I think that is just not luxury there, but it's more to it. When you change your lifestyle, for example, now we are talking about, a lot of people are going to retreats in today's time. A lot of people want to go to wellness resort, for example, Ananda, Six Senses.
Yeah.
Why they would want to go there? Just to change their lifestyle. Might be they would start with a package of 1 week and it goes up to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even a month. But the main thing is, when they come back to their normal life, they lose that charm because they're not following all those things every day. So that is something that we really want to inculcate here, that you have all these amenities, just not for 1 day, but 365 days of the year. So that is luxury for us. And wellness, when we talk about it, for me, as a person, it is all about what you eat, what you drink, and what you breathe. Abhi AQI level, as you have already seen in Delhi NCR, it is nearing to 300, 400, 500. It's always fluctuating, and it even had touched somewhere nearing to 1000. We all are buying air purifiers. You know, even if you're staying at a home, you would buy 2 or 3 different air purifiers. You might keep it in one of the bedrooms or the living dining area, but it doesn't cover all of the areas inside your apartment. Here, when we say about air purifiers, so you don't have to buy air purifiers separately because we have the VRVs installed here. जिसके साथ में we are giving the fresh air units along with more 14 air purification units. So that basically, in simple terms, it means wherever you have the ducting of the ACs, you have the purified air.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And because of that, the AQI levels inside the apartment and the club area would always be maintained below 50, and in the open areas as well below 70. So in open areas, we are doing so many more things like using a lot of miskins, water sprinklers. The green coverage is even more. So the entire construction has been done in 25% of the total area, whereas 75% remains open and green here. Yeah, so that is all. Plus the beverage that you're drinking right now, this is all inspired by wellness. So example, we are using a lot of Ayurvedic syrups like Giloy juice or aloe vera juice and all the fresh juices that we promote here. Sodas has become part of our life, but we really think that, you know, that should be kept occasionally, but you should have such things so that, you know, you can feel more energetic. For example, if you talk about a lot of people who are in their mid-20s, yeah, late 20s or 30s as well, they would always say, you know, I'm having backache problem. If I'm standing for too long, I'm having leg pain and all of such things. I think that is the story for each and every one of us.
Right, absolutely right.
Right? But if you would see your parents who have touched somewhere around 50s or 60s as well, they would not complain. And they would be like on their toes throughout the day, and still, you know, they would be so fine. So I think this has changed because of what the intake of food and beverage that we are having.
Exactly, yeah, right.
So yeah, so I mean, even if you want to say that you're eating healthy by eating vegetables or something, but actually that entire food industry, you know, कुछ ना कुछ उसमें मिलावट है. When we talk about paneer, when we talk about different vegetables, they all have been injected with different things. So organic is something I think is a new market wherein a lot of people would want to shift. But again, organic में भी सबसे बड़ी जो problem आती है, that is basically कि where you get a good high quality organic.
Yeah, you don't get
fruits.
pureness.
Exactly. So that is something that we really want to focus here. We have a farmers market inside.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow.
So that would be providing the high quality, you know, organic fruits, vegetable, herbs. Yeah, the flower market. So a lot of things here that I can see has been inspired from, you know, the foreign destinations as well. For example, you will not find a flower market inside a project here. You will not find the culinary school inside a project here. But if you go towards Europe side, like, you know, if you go towards Italy or European places,
yeah.
you would find a lot of culinary cooking schools where people come together, the family come together, might be in the evening hours, and they would all cook together and they will eat whatever they have cooked out baked. So that is something that we really want people to enjoy here. We are forgetting those little things that, you know, gives you
Makes
joy.
a difference.
Yeah. So we are so much into the fast-paced life, and it is very, very important because आजकल you might have seen a lot of things or maybe cases and issues coming for the mental health. A lot of people are talking about depression, you know, anxiety, panic attacks. Why it has increased? Because I think somewhere down the line we have been forgetting and neglecting all the things. The self-me time we have been forgetting.
Right.
So here it's just not physical wellness, but your mental wellness as well. So that's why we say nourish your being. That is body, mind and soul.
You have explained it very well. I don't even need to add anything to it. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am.
Likewise.
And now comes one of the most curious parts of the video, which you all have been waiting for, the prices. The prices here starts from 7.5 crore onwards and goes above and beyond 10 crores. So if you are interested in buying this project or in this project in general, just WhatsApp us on the given number. That is it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down your favorite part. Until then, this is Kushi signing out from Trehan Iris.